Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode. As you know, we're back out on the Sacramento River. As always, going for some more salmon. But it's pretty chilly this morning. Brought out the gloves today. I can't even feel my fingers, but you know, it's okay. Just gonna keep on fishing. But yeah, going out for some more salmon today. It looks like it's an incoming tide today because it looks like it's low tide right now. And I checked the tide charts this morning. It looks like it's gonna be incoming all morning. So, in my opinion, and my experiences, it seems like the incoming tide seems to get the salmon rolling a little through more. So, get some traveling. So we'll see what happens. Right now, I am throwing the pink flying sea, the hot pink. It's my favorite color. And I'm using a little snap swivel so I can just change out baits. And then my setup is a Revo X by Abu Garcia. Abu, or I don't know, however you say it. Yeah, I'm throwing the Revo X by Abu Garcia and Vengeance by Abu Garcia as well. You know. So that's my setup I'm using. Oh, and my line is CX, I think it's CX Premium 20 pound. So yeah, that's my setup for today. But this might be like the last trip of our year. Maybe next weekend, might go out again for some more salmon. But from here on out, we might go for some more sturgeon. Salmon this year has been pretty tricky for us. They're still catching them in the Benicia area. Maybe they're just late this year. But you know, we'll see. If the reports say it starts picking up, then you know, we'll come back out for some more salmon. But for now, this might be one of our last trips of this year for salmon. Man, I gotta be careful sometimes because all these sticks and logs in the water. Sometimes what happens is if I let it sink too deep and I reel too slow, it would be on the bottom, but then there's some logs and sticks underneath, and sometimes I've lost many flying seas to those logs, so I gotta be careful. They're easy to see during low tide, but during high tide, it's pretty hard to see, so yeah, I gotta be careful. I've lost a lot of flying seas just to those logs. All right, if I don't catch anything within the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna time myself. I'm gonna swap up to another lure. 10 minutes starting. Cool. Yeah, I'll swap it to like the chartreuse or the homemade spoon lure. We'll see. My hands are cold, so cold, I can't even feel them, and they're stinging. It's probably not good. It's probably warm them up. All right, well, let's change up lures. Been using this guy for a while now. Let's see. I think we're gonna use the spoon lure, the custom made one. I'm gonna use this guy right here. Kind of beat up. Just put him on. There we go. All right, let's get back to fishing now. All right. Maybe the beard. All right, this will test my casting skills right here. Oh, it's close. No. Why are you going down river? Don't go over there. Oh, damn, I missed it. There's a piece of styrofoam. I'm trying to get it out of the river. See if I can get it, man. I got a backlash now. Okay, good. Came this way. Good. Keep on coming this way. Damn, this current's fast. There we go. We're getting it in. Come on now. Okay. Let's try to get this out of the river here. There we go. We got it. We didn't hook it. Let's throw this away, man. Oh, look at that. Let's get this out of the river, man. No littering. please guys, if you guys are gonna fish out here, please do not litter. I have a trash bag of just trash. I don't even know. I think it's right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw that away when I get home. Just leave that open. So yeah guys, please do not litter. For us and for future generations, so we can keep on fishing here and keep our fishery safe and clean.
What's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful?
Alright guys, that's gonna be for today's video. It was a pretty slow day. Didn't really see any salmon. Didn't catch any salmon. Did see a bass. Got a couple bites from bass. My dad did catch one bass. You know, didn't see much today. Did see a seal, but didn't hang around for a while, so probably means that they're not in here. Yeah, no boaters caught anything. Wasn't a lot of boaters today. But yeah, that's about it, man. Even though we didn't catch anything, it's okay. It's nice to get out here and just relax for a bit. So thanks guys for watching, and good luck out there. Tight lines, guys. Peace out.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something